Yeah, I'm as country as a box of cornflakes. But I roasted a Cornish hen today, and instead of scrubbing this pan, what I did was put a little water in this pan, and I'm just got it on low heat, and I'm gonna scrape up all of these crispy bits, and I'm gonna use this liquid. I'm gonna strain it, and I'm gonna use this liquid for gravy or stock or whatever. But I'm using this stuff, okay, because there's good flavor in there. All right, so that's just a poor man's way of making gravy. Using what you got to make gravy, make stock or whatever, okay, y'all? Y'all can do this. It's on low, and it's gonna loosen it up, and I'm gonna be able to clean this pan very easily. But I'm gonna have me some stock that I can use for my cornbread dressing, or I have me some stock that I can use for gravy. All right, that's the tip that I got for y'all today. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Use those crispy bits that's in these pans, y'all. That's good. That's flavor. It's just flavor. It's fat and flavor. It's goodness. All right, I'm Val Taylor. I'll see y'all on the next video. Make sure y'all go over there or over there, up there or over there. I don't know which way it goes on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and watch all of my easy kitchen tips on the playlist, because I got some good ones out there for you that's going to help you save time, money, and hopefully make you a better home cook. All right, see y'all on the next video. Bye now. See, it's all strained now. And it's delicious. It's delicious. But there it is.